I've had many new business owners sitting in my office dreading their bookkeeping. It's a scary undertaking with a whole new skill set, and it's not everybody's cup of tea. Then I talk about pricing. Bookkeeping is expensive because of the time and skill involved, and the cost is often several $100s a month to start. In this video, I talk about why bookkeeping is important, tips for doing it yourself, and when to hire a professional bookkeeper. Why bookkeeping is important for your business. Do you have a pile of paperwork sitting on your desk waiting to be processed? How about receipts in your car or on your kitchen table? Well, you aren't alone. Bookkeeping procrastination is in truth a huge issue. It's probably an epidemic. To help you get your butt in gear, let's talk about the 3 reasons why you should do your bookkeeping. Number 1, it makes the information useful. Rather than causing you stress and anxiety with the building workload, turn your bookkeeping into something useful. Completed bookkeeping means an income statement, which allows you to assess how your business is doing. Do you need to spend more or less in certain areas? Are you profitable? Are you not profitable? Are you hitting your goals? Bookkeeping provides you valuable insights into your business to help it succeed and grow. It is a financial map for improving the health of your business and improving your financial security as a business owner. Number 2, it reduces late filing penalties. Bookkeeping procrastination leads to late GST/HST tax filings and overdue income tax returns. All of these cause you unnecessarily penalties from the CRA that can be in the hundreds, if not thousands of dollars. Don't pay the government more than you must. Do your bookkeeping every single month and improve your business's financial health. Number 3, it helps with income tax planning. Should you contribute to your RSPs? Are you going to end up with a whopping tax bill? Is it time to pay a bonus? You and your accountant won't know the right answers to these questions until you have done your bookkeeping. Do you want to be proactive and allow tax planning to benefit your life and financial situation? Then do your bookkeeping every single month and reap the long-term benefits. DIY bookkeeping tips. Are you choosing to DIY your books? Well, you may be surprised to learn that I think this is a great starting point for brand new business owners. It gives you a very direct understanding into the ebbs and flows of your business finances and will help you speak the language of numbers much more quickly. But do realize your bookkeeping journey will be a long one filled with learning. So where should you get started? Well, signing up for a membership on our website is a great foundation to ensure no crucial tax pieces are missed. Our Excel templates for business owners have CRA requirements right in the area you need them and are a very affordable and effective way to track your income and expenses. Now, if you want to dive into some software instead, know that it can be a little overwhelming and expensive, and it's not always something that I recommend. If you are a solo entrepreneur without any employees, I would recommend starting with our Excel template, which is available on our website. It's ideal for tradespeople or others in service-oriented businesses like cleaning professionals. If you have more transactions or have employees, then you may want to consider a paid software program like Sage 50, QuickBooks, or Xero. This is the better choice for restaurants or businesses dealing with lots of transactions and many moving parts, like retail stores. I don't recommend free software. You don't know if it's secure or what your data is being used for. There is also a risk of losing it unexpectedly, so please proceed with caution. If you've chosen to go the software route, I would highly recommend investing in some bookkeeping training, either with the software provider or with your local college. Bookkeeping software courses are invaluable to helping you avoid a bookkeeping disaster. We have many clients who innocently connect their bank account to their online software, pat themselves on the back, and call it a day. This has left a huge mess with uncategorized expenses, incorrectly claimed tax credits, and cost these clients significant amount of accounting fees to fix everything up, and it increased their CRA audit risk. Don't be in this boat. If you choose to do your own bookkeeping through a software program, please pursue some training. If you aren't interested in training, then consider our awesome Excel template or hire a professional bookkeeper. When to hire a bookkeeper. A skilled bookkeeper is an invaluable business ally. You might be surprised to learn that as a chartered professional accountant, I still use a bookkeeper. I do not enter my own receipts. Not only does this save me considerable time, but also significantly reduces my stress. Bookkeeping, it's a lot of work and takes a lot of skill. It might be the last thing you want to do at the end of a long day. If any of the following apply, then a bookkeeper might be a great choice for you. Are you getting CRA penalties or audits? Are you computer illiterate? Do you work long hours? Are you spending enormous amounts of time trying to figure out your books? Or do you just hate doing your bookkeeping? If any of these apply, then hiring a bookkeeper is a great choice for you. Over time, a bookkeeper will pay for themselves. They allow you to fully focus on your business and may be able to identify errors or issues. After taking over bookkeeping of a new client, one of my great bookkeepers on my team found a $5,000 error that the business owner was able to recoup. This certainly paid for any bookkeeping fees that were incurred. So how do you find a great bookkeeper? Well, they can be elusive. A skilled bookkeeper will know many of the CRA rules and requirements. It's a skill-based role that requires intentional learning and effort. So find a bookkeeper who enjoys learning new things and ask them about their training. Also, look for a professional who responds to your emails or phone calls within a day or two. Someone who is organized will be responsive and nimble enough to handle the needs of your business. And finally, you want someone who asks a lot of questions. If you dump your receipts onto your bookkeeper's desk and don't hear from them for a month or two, that's a problem. Either your information isn't being processed, or your bookkeeper is making way too many assumptions and possibly screwing up your books. Your bookkeeper will need you to fill in important information gaps, like why expenses were purchased or who deposits were received from. Paperwork does not always contain the needed details, and because your bookkeeper can likely not read your mind, they will have to ask you to fill in the missing information. As a final tip, your spouse is not a bookkeeper unless they want to be. In my experience, persuading a reluctant spouse to do your data entry does not solve your bookkeeping procrastination issues. Instead, it can make things worse while causing extra stress on the business and impacting family dynamics. Takeaways. Bookkeeping can keep your business organized, reduce your stress, and help you achieve long and short-term financial goals. It is important for your business's overall financial health. If you want to do your own bookkeeping, I think this is a great idea. It will help you learn the language of your business finances more quickly. We have lots of resources and templates on our website to help get you started and avoid crucial tax issues. So if a pile of paperwork on your desk makes you want to gag, then hiring a bookkeeper is a great option to relieve your pain points. I hope this video has given you a little insight into the decisions around DIYing your bookkeeping or not. That's all I have for today on bookkeeping. I will see you in another video. Bye for now.